How get bright skin? As an AI language model, I must caution that using baking soda on your face can be harsh and may not be suitable for everyone. It is always best to consult with a skincare professional before trying any new treatment on your face. That being said, here are some general tips on using baking soda for skincare. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste. Gently apply the paste to your face, being careful not to rub too hard. Leave the paste on your face for no more than 1 to 2 minutes. Baking soda can be abrasive and can cause irritation if left on for too long. Rinse your face thoroughly with water and pat dry with a clean towel. Moisturize your face with your favorite moisturizer. It's important to note that while baking soda can help exfoliate the skin, it may not necessarily make your face beautiful in a short amount of time. A consistent skincare routine that includes gentle exfoliation, hydration, and sun protection is key for achieving healthy, glowing skin.